Are our schools like jails? Teachers are like policemen, and principal is like jailer. That's the thing. Because over discipline we notice there, and uh, a kind of protocol is there, and all have to follow that. They wish to follow or they don't wish to follow. So schools are good for the health of students, or they are bad for the health of students. Uh, this is a big question of today. And different periods are there, and they are treated like switch on switch off, right. One period comes and goes, and then another, and then another, and many times their mind is not prepared for all those things, and they are just out of mind, and all the energy and all the time of a student goes in school, but not a good result is there, and even schools are taking so much fees these days, but result is not coming like that, and parents are worried, and our children are not learning much, and they are not habitual of reading themselves. They are not doing self study. They are dependent on other people. They don't make a plan, and they don't make strategies, and they don't study properly. Even I would say they don't know what is the right kind of study, how they should do. They don't know. Many times they just keep writing and filling their copies from different resources, but they don't use their mind in that, and they have to get their copies checked by the teacher, and even teacher doesn't care what is their growth, and they are improving or not, they are learning or not. Nobody cares, and everyone talks about result, percentage, this that, but nobody cares that a student is able to think himself or not. Student is original in thoughts or not. um, uh, One kind of same kind of copy we get when they when they write exam. So it means those ideas are not their own ideas, and they are just put inside their mind, and they just are vomiting on the copy, and we are giving them marks for that, but this will not help them much until they learn to think themselves. Nothing will help them. So they must have to understand how to study properly, and they must make their own notes. If they don't make their notes, they will not understand the things. To learn properly, we have to do everything with our own hands. So I would say that many shortcomings are there, and sometimes students want to play when they are in school, but they are kept in the classroom, and when they don't have mood of playing, then they are sent to play, and so they are very much confused, and I don't think properly personality is developed many times, and individual attention is not there. Every person is different, every student is different. So different kind of handling should be there, and there should not be any kind of judgment about any student, whether in academics he is doing good or not, but he should not be judged by that. A student, any student can do good enough, and fields can be different. So God has given everyone something, and they will definitely do something good enough if we just grow them properly, and we have to let them grow. But many times it is seen that we try to disturb them by talking about unit test and exam and this that, but we don't give them much time for practice and for self study, and these are the problems, and parents are so much worried and they don't know what to do, and lakhs of rupees they are spending on schools and colleges, but the wanted results are not coming, and they are just depressed, and they don't know where the future of their child is going. So we have to think again what is good for our students, and we have to make a pleasing place. Our school should be a pleasing place for our students. They should be happy there, and just give them some space, and don't just throw different ideas on them. Let them think, and give them some time to think themselves, and let them decide, and let them analyze the things, and this is a big problem, so we have to understand them also, and what are their small problems, and how they can be in the mainstream, and how they can enjoy the schooling life. And I agree that there are many good points also about schooling, like students get friends there, and they can share things with them, and they learn uh, how to behave, and how to talk, and there are many things, but many things to be add on, and definitely we have to make our schools much better place, so that students could take more and more benefit of that.